Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X200 FE and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it would be Google Chrome, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on Delete Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. Here we can change the time range, it's up to you, just tap on the option you'd like to use, and then tap on Delete Data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, let me go back and show you. Tap on the three dots icon again, go to Delete Browsing Data, and to go to Advanced Options, tap on More Options, and here we've got them. So tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. Again, we can change the time range, it's up to you, and then tap on Delete Data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.